This is a procedure of baking a cake. As you can see,
cake from the money elite.
Yeah.
This is very serious. The kids are hungry. They took ugali and decided to take a cake.
Yeah.
And we have already mixed all the ingredients.
Yeah.
So what is remaining is just baking the cake. And I know you guys are hungry. You're waiting for the cake. So
That's
be very
good.
patient. We'll give you the final results. And I hopefully you are going to enjoy.
Wonderful.
So we are doing CBC with the 844.
Yes.
So we are almost there. We are almost there.
For the first time ever.
For the first time ever. Kenya will be surprised.
That's great.
Kenya will be surprised. Otherwise, these are my kids. These are my kids.
Yeah.
They look awesome.
Wonderful.
I know they are giving us no marks. But we are happy. You are happy. Aren't you happy? You aren't happy? Are you happy?
Yes.
So the first time we have teacher Nancy here, who is our main chef. We have teacher Sophia, our co-chef. We have teacher Frank. We have teacher Bidan there. So we are many. We don't bahatisha. We don't do what?
Bahatisha.
And then we need to put some charcoal on the top. A lot. Because juu joto ifiki chini sana. Sawa? So what do? Go look for a
Jeremy have gone for it.
Up to there, right together.
Jeremy have gone for it.
So already we have some kinywaji here. What do we call it? Yogurt. We call it in Kiswahili. We call it kikererushi. Wakitaki nini?
Kuja uchukue risk.
Anakuchukua mgongo tu.
Noel, ujazoi maneno usijali.
You just go around.
Yeah, you just
make sure each and every face.
So here, after we have baked the cake, we will enjoy the cake using what we call Delight yogurt. Delight?
Yes.
I'm advertising. Be serious. We'll be using what we call Delight.
Respond.
Guys, do I repeat again? Or I'm gonna eat the cake alone. So we have what we call Delight yogurt. We're gonna enjoy our cake with the Delight yogurt. We do have a wonderful teachers. We have teacher Nancy here, or you can call her Nelson. You can subscribe to her YouTube channel. We have teacher Frank here. He is also a musician. You can also subscribe to his channel. Teacher Bidan there, I don't know whether he's a musician. You can also
He's a preacher.
he's a preacher. You can go to the channel. Yes.
He also has a YouTube channel.
He has a YouTube channel. You can follow the teacher.
Also, we have
Just came, yeah?
a very great musician here.
Yeah, Nelson. I've already said
Nancy
she's
Nelson.
got Nancy Nelson.
Unaona imeanza kubake.
Nancy Nelson.
Sorry, vile boki wakati mwingine.
Tumetumana kijiko na nani alete. Do you have a tissue? Yes?
They can lack a tissue. Hawa ni wakubwa.
Already our cake is in process, eh?
Yeah, our cake is in process. Na ona venye tunahamisha makaa, I wish wangepata space.
Participate here.
Kuja muone. Come. Makaa unahamisha yote juu.
The video
Moto
cameraman.
chini mchache, juu wingi. I-bake pole. It needs to bake slowly.
Shika.
I told you, oven yangu ni I have an oven, but the oven is not functioning. Later.
Moja. Imechoma.
Primary lazima nichome. Again, it is burning. Toa hiyo moto, toa kabisa.
Yote.
Toa hiyo moto kabisa. Ipungue kabisa. Chini ni moto. Unaona jiko venye iko? Jiko ni moto.
Choma bana.
Bidan. Fanye maneno.
Bidan kuja.
Bidan moto.
Bidan toa kuchota. Chota.
Na mjeti